Howdy, I'm Chris from Dizzy Pig. Just got back from Eggtoberfest in Atlanta. Huge, great event. Ended up with this in my cooler when I got home. We cooked so much meat that day. This is a Snake River Farms Wagyu whole strip loin. And it's a beautiful piece of meat. You know, I figured for Facebook Live today at 1 o'clock, we're gonna be searing off this. We're gonna do a sous vide strip steaks. Okay, so it's gonna be wonderful. Our staff is gonna get a big treat. I'm taking a bunch of this home for my party on Saturday that I'm having. So this is a big old beautiful hunk of meat. I'm just gonna go right in and cut this baby. I'm thinking of doing about 2-inch steaks for the sous vide. Let's take a look at that guy and what we got. There's some pretty good marbling on there. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this top a little bit, get some of the membranes off before I cut them into steaks. Clean it up a little bit. That looks like it would make good burger meat right there. A little layer of fat. I'm gonna leave that layer of fat on the bottom. Don't cut towards yourself. Look at that marble in there. That cow is not skipping breakfast. I figure about 2 inches is gonna be about like that. That's a good looking steak. Do it again. Right there. This should be enough for my party. All right, so we got these buttes. They look pretty nice. We're gonna do a simple seasoning of salt. You know, I'm gonna use cowlick, which is our amazing Texas style steak rub, but these are big old pieces of meat. And steaks like a little bit of salt. Our stuff's not too salty. So I'm gonna hit these with salt first. And a good layer of cowlick. I wanna be searing these off at the end so they're gonna get good and brown. I got the sous vide set on 125. I got a little bit of a larger pot than I need, but it's the only one that was deep enough to hold the sous vide machine on there. So again, salt on the other side, some cowlick. Pretty simple. This is a great way to cook steaks because you're cooking them almost to a done state in the water, and it doesn't really matter how long they're in there. Well, it kind of does, but I'm gonna go about 2 hours, and I think that should be good. I'm gonna put these in the vac seal bag. Gonna be happy people here at work. Oh, it sounds a little sick. Might be time for a new vacuum sealer. Running on fumes. All right, so we got these babies sealed up. They're seasoning. Now they're gonna go into 125-degree water for 2 hours. We're gonna sear them off on the Mini-Max at 1 o'clock. We'll catch you back here on Facebook Live about 1 o'clock. But yeah, that's how we do sous vide here. You'll see the end part of it at 1. Catch you then.